Have you been searching for the perfect SUV without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander SEL in white. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot warning, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 25,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, split folding rear seats, 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com, stock number D7076.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.